Okay, so the next dish we're going to prepare, Kadek, is
untuk bumbu brancuh.
Bumbu brancuh.
Ya, bumbu rajang.
Bumbu rajang.
Ya, untuk brancuhnya.
Untuk brancuh.
Ya.
Okay. So again, this is just normal oil, and we're frying out your bumbu rajang, which I painfully chop myself. And again, the rajang basically means to chop, so it's not a fine paste, it's quite a coarse paste. And this is going to be the kuah, yeah, the soup.
Oh, bukan, untuk yang seperti lawarnya.
Okay, so this is for the lawar. Ini the bumbu untuk apa?
Yeah.
Kalasan, yeah?
Yeah.
For the lawar. So basically this is the paste for the lawar that they're making, and then they're going to add coconut milk in there, and then also their pounded leaves. So now we're going to add in these pounded herbs, and it's smelling very earthy, but also incredibly healthy. It's like your spirulina of the West. So ini apa? Daun kentut?
Yeah.
So daun kentut in English means farty leaf. So therefore when you open it, and actually when you do smell it, it has quite a strong sort of smelly smell.
Sekarang tambahkan santannya.
Here's the rest of the coconut milk that's going to go in here. This is almost like gulai singkong, but with bumbu rajang, but the Balinese style, you know? Because it looks very similar in there as well. And so, Kadek, ini untuk reduce?
Ya, reduce.
Ya, reduce.
Biasanya nanti kita tambahkan daun basilnya karena kami di sini nggak ada.
Okay. Daun kamini.
Oh yeah.
Kamini, yeah. Which is like a lemon basil also goes in here as well, which gives a great sort of fragrance to it. And in Balinese cuisine, lemon basil kamini is very important to their dishes. Okay, let's have a taste. That is starting to get really good. I can taste definitely the bumbu rajang in there, and then I can also taste the leaves that are coming through, and this is going to start to be a great brancuh, which is kind of like a lawar sort of style salad. So that's going to go over there and allow it to cool for a while, and then we're going to mix the shredded coconut through there. Okay, proses apa?
Ini bikin brancuh.
Yep.
Ini tadi sudah didinginkan, sekarang bisa dicampur dengan kelapa mudanya.
So basically that's the bumbu rajang that we were chilling down, and now we're mixing it with the coconut.
Tambahkan garam.
A little bit of salt.
Ini rasanya ada manis-manisnya karena pakai kelapa muda.
So basically it's looking for quite a sort of sweet flavor. And that's not from the sugar, that's from the natural sugar from the coconut that it creates a sort of sweet and savory profile in the dish. That's amazing. So it's actually very different from a kind of a lawar. It's actually more of a kind of paste that they've created out of this. Almost like a porridge.
Sudah.
Okay, I'm going to be really naughty now. Coba sedikit in your hands. Wow, that's got a sensational flavor to it. I can really taste, you know, the earthiness from the bumbu, and then with the daun in there and the coconut, it's going to be magnificent.